I'm Cristina Martinez, and this is my collection. I believe that I've always been an artist. I didn't always know what that looked like. It was when I found painting and storytelling through painting that I found my one true purpose. For me, my creative process never really looks the same. It's a different journey that I go through with each piece that I create. It's all these different experiences in life that create that journey for me. I just float, and when the story comes to me, I find the best way to tell it. I want people to understand that when you put on a jacket, it's like actual brush strokes and paint strokes. At the root of every piece in this collection is like real artwork. We started the process of turning the art into all of these different pieces and taking the strongest parts of the story and then putting it on things that you could have in your home or wear on your body. So I think that my involvement in the process from start to finish is really felt in each of the pieces.